Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use the ISODD function. Okay, so what is ISODD function? Okay, I'll type the ISODD function. Okay, then you will see it returns true if the number is odd. Okay, if you pass a number into the ISODD function, then it will return true only when the number is odd. If the number is even, then it will return false. Okay, so what is the odd number? Okay, so the numbers which ends with 1 3 5 7 9 are odd numbers. Okay, if the number the end the ones place is if you have 1 3 5 7 9, then it is the odd number. Okay, so this number 168 ends with the 8 and which is not of this set 1 3 5 7 9, so it is a even number or it's not a odd number. Okay, so I will check is odd of 168. Okay, 82, it's false. Okay, it's checking whether it's a odd number or not. Okay, it is not a odd number, so it is the value returns with false. Okay, similarly for 1401, it ends with 1, so it is a odd number. Okay, it's true. 474 is false because it ends with 4, which is not in this list. Okay, similarly for each number you will know whether it is an odd number or not. Okay, so all of them are ending with 2 4 6 8, all these are even numbers. 139 is an odd number, so it is true. 934 is the false, it's a even number. Okay, so this way you can use ISODD function to calculate or to verify a number or a cell value is odd or not. Okay, and we are going to do a small exercise here. I want to color the column rows. Okay, every odd cell, okay, odd number cell to a blue color. Okay, so this cell I want a blue color, this one, okay, the alternative ones. How can we do that? Okay, for that what I am going to do is that I want to know the row number first. Okay, for each cell row number, so the row number is this is the first row, so 1, this is second row. So how can we get it? We will use the function called row. Okay, if you don't pass any argument to the function, it will take the current cell's row number. Okay, so it is showing the row number, current cell row number. So similarly for each cell you will know the row number, so it will starts with 1 2 3 4 and so on. So every row number 1 3, the odd row numbers, okay, the odd row number cells I want to color it. Okay, so how can I know that odd row number cell? So I'm going to check this row number to ISODD function. Okay, so it gives you that whether true or false. Okay, so if it is true, then color it because it's an odd row number cell. Okay, so the same logic I'm going to use it in the column F. Okay, so how to do that? I just highlight the column, then I will go to home, then the conditional formatting, then I am creating a new rule. In the new rule I use a formula to determine which cell to format. Okay, so I'm going to use the formula is equal to, okay, so first I must know the row numbers. You will give the cell's row number. If the cell's row number is odd or not, I am going to check. If it is odd, I want to format. Okay, so I want to know the cell's row number is odd or not. Okay, the row number, and I am checking whether it is odd. If it is odd, if it returns true, then it will apply this format. So if it true, then I will change. I want to put the background color, the fill color is blue. Okay, then press OK. So I selected the formatted color. Once it is odd, okay, the row number is odd for a particular cell, then it will become true. Okay, whenever it becomes true, so using this C format values where this formula is true, whenever this becomes true, then it will highlight the cells. Okay, so press OK for the new rule. You can see here for every odd cell it colored. Okay, so this is the way you can start using the ISODD function. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like my videos, please press silent some button appearing in the screen itself, and this will help you to subscribe to my channel, and also please leave your suggestions and comments, and God bless you.